Hey everyone, it's Keith from Million Mile Secrets, and today I'm going to show folks with multiple Chase Ultimate Rewards points earning credit cards how to combine points to one account. This is helpful for folks with no annual fee cards like the Chase Freedom, Freedom Unlimited, and Ink Cash, because you can move points over to a card like the Sapphire Preferred and then transfer points directly to airline and hotel partners like Hyatt and United Airlines. The first step is to log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards account. Once your accounts appear, you can click on the card you like to move points from. In this example, I clicked on my Chase Freedom Unlimited card. On the next page, you can click on your points balance in the top right-hand corner. A drop-down list will appear and you can click Combine Points. Now, you can move points between any of your accounts. Here, I'm moving all of my points from my Freedom Unlimited card to the Ink Business Preferred. After you select the card you'd like to transfer points to, you can click Continue. On this screen, you can select the number of points you'd like to transfer between cards. You can set a specific number, or you can move all of the points from one card to another. In this example, I'm moving all of the points to the Ink Business Preferred. And then you can just click Confirm and Submit and the points will instantly appear on your other card account. Now you're ready to transfer points directly to an airline or hotel partner. You can click on your points balance in the top right hand corner and then click on the card where you just transferred points to. On the next screen, just click Use Points and then Transfer Points to Travel Partners. You can follow the same steps in this guide if you're looking to transfer points from one of your cards to a partner or spouse. Click on your points balance on the top right hand corner and then click Combine Points. And instead of transferring points between your cards, you can click Add a Household Member. On the next screen, enter your partner or spouse's card information and the account will be linked and you can transfer points right away. Keep in mind, Chase has strict rules for who you can transfer points to. You can read more about the rules in the post. Thanks everyone for following along. Be sure to sign up for our free email newsletter and check out the blog for more tricks to get big travel with small money.